This video explains how to calculate the median of an array using the median function of the NumPy library in the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to import the NumPy library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we need to create an example array, as you can see in the next line of code. So after running this line of code, a new array object called myArray is created. And we can print this array using the print function below the code box. And then you can see that our array contains 3 columns and 2 rows. Now let's assume that we want to get the median of all the values in the entire array. Then we can apply the median function of the NumPy library, as you can see in this line of code. And within the median function, we simply need to specify the name of our array. So in this case, our array is called myArray. And then I'm printing the output of the median function below the code box using the print function, so that you can see that the median value of our array is 3.5. It's also possible to calculate the median value of the array columns, as you can see in the next line of code. So in this line of code, I'm once again using the median function and I'm specifying the name of our array. However, in addition to that, I'm setting the axis argument to be equal to 0. So after running this line of code, another output is returned, which shows the median value of the columns in our array object. Similar to that, we can also calculate the median value of the rows of our array, as you can see in the last line of code. So in this line of code, I'm once again using the median function and I'm applying this function to our array object. However, this time I'm specifying the axis argument to be equal to 1. And this tells the median function to calculate the median by rows. So as you can see below the code box, the median of the first row is the value 2 and the median of the second row is the value 5. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.